Buy it on the breakout. Intel's better, but still favorable. Our 270 is support. Tomorrow, follow through. Watch for finance and the RLXD. Buy the breakout above the RL270 in Boeing. Caterpillar, just automatically buy it. Great Owl, already followed through and deep in the money. Approaching the summer. 1, 2, 3 entry today. Cliffs Natural Resources should be benefiting along with the material sector. Campbell Soup, I think it's dead money. Cisco Tech Leader starting to emerge. By tomorrow's breakout, target the 200 and then the 270. Good on the swing for the Owl is paying off. Use the belly of the dragon on all these as initial risks. Not impressed yet with energy, but there's still potential at intraday sell-offs. Get ready to get short. I'd bracket that one to get ready to go either direction. Great follow through in the Dow. That's very positive. Look for 272 in the near future. It's the upper part of the trading range. Disney should have had more follow through today. It's at fair value. Not a fan. Dow Chemical. I'm buying it at the RL90. Excuse me. PSR flip. Devon Energy doing better than the energy sector in Chevron. I reward more momentum. Stay with the U.S. indices. Be ready to short this if we get any kind of bad news. Same here. Prefer the U.S. indices. Play this intraday with a bracket. Same thing. Prefer the U.S. indices. Short it if needed. Currencies, just studying, no comments. Mexico, big winner, continues to win, reinforce above the 200. Excuse me. Prefer Mexico. Preserve gains in this one. Should have had more follow through, but it didn't. Continue to buy this one. Reinforce the Owl. The Z3 just starting to expand. Next target at 50. Buy strength in Facebook. Target 200. Fuller, I think keep buying it with the you're already in it with the Owl, but reinforce all the way up to the 200. Cashed today. It's still a dog. Cash today, and along with silver, wheat and precious metals. Goldman, better than AXP in the financials. It's going to 220. Home Depot, continue to buy it, the strongest stock in the Dow. Easy win. Hershey had an inside day. I'm staying long, trusting the bottom of the dragon. This is a great Z3 pinch breakout. Don't be in a hurry. Brilliant follow through in IBM. Tech Leader, more to go. It's going to 150. Great Owl that was. Latin America, just like Brazil, should have been better. It wasn't. Mexico has some juice, but play that one tactically. Falling Star and Intel, I prefer AMD. This one's not persuasive. Should have been better. Russell, pretty good it got to the 200. Let's see if there's juice to go up to 157. Real estate, respect the middle of the dragon as the stop. Johnson & Johnson, dead money, short below the RL10. JP Morgan, best one so far in financials. Look to reward intraday and then build a swing position with profits. Coke, I think you still respect the PSR on the long swing. Buy any intraday momentum moves to the long side. Lilly, you're still in it from a higher low pocket. McDonald's, stay with it. Respect the 270. Love this one. Buy it on a swing. Stop below the dragon, and stop in reverse if that fails. That's the beginning of a RLXD. 3M, great company. It's back in the game. Target 270, then the 200. Good way to build a long position. Oof. Short weakness. I bracket this one either way. Target 270 on the long side. Merck, dead money. Short the PSAR flip. Microsoft Tech Leader is getting ready to break out to all-time high. Buy it. I think I'm buying it. Speculative intraday. That's like my little fun money. Nike, love it all day long. Keep going. Great owl. Just broke above the hump of the dragon. Love Pfizer. Love this orderly recovery. Quiet, orderly. Target the 270. Still love Procter. Keep riding that train. Reinforce on a breakout to above 123. Triple Qs. Buy it. Add more at 194 and at 196. Getting ready to cross into the summer. There's better ones, but you can buy the PSAR flip. Boy, Starbucks. Still don't understand it. Just watch it. I can't stand them. S-Dow Index. Treat intraday only. Schlumberger. Pretty good turnaround in the energy sector. I think I like it. Buy more momentum if it clears the Bollinger Band mean. And cashed silver today. Great run. Loved it. Semis, better than Intel and AMD. I think you buy the sector, don't you? And then reinforce above 121. Buying this one cautiously. Use the PSAR as the execution risk. It's a triple leveraged S&P. Great trade. Breakout. The 90 rolled up. 10 and 30 both rolled up. PSAR flipped up. Spiders themselves in great shape. Testing all-time high at 302. Treasuries, that cracked today. It's the equities, long and strong. Triple Russell still has plenty of room to go to 64. That's a 20% potential to the upside. Travelers, I like it. Target 154, add more at 155. Tesla, dumb money. Doesn't mean I won't trade it, just dumb down at long term. You down like it. That's a 4% gain, by the way, in that triple leverage Dow. So indexes can pay off. Natural gas, the owl has worked beautifully here. That's a 12% gain. United Health, I like the higher low. It's going to RLXD here shortly. Buy the PSAR flip. Target the 270, then the 200. Oil, still room for it to go to 12.5. Watch that one as a bellwether for the energy sector. United Tech, oof, should have been better on the doji. Lock in the gains from the owl. You have to add above 136 though. VIX, declining volatility, still has a long way to go to the downside. 10% loss still available there. Verizon, I think you buy any breakout as an intraday, and then carry a piece as a swing. The Bollinger Band just started to expand. Walmart, man, should have been better. If you're long, and you should be, respect the 270. Wheaton Precious, good cash. Win, I'm buying it. I like the dragons starting to roll up, the 10s roll up, the 30s roll up. That's an owl. There we go. U.S. Steel, buying it. The whole business sector starting to crank. Industrials, metals, materials. Room for that to grow. It started high and sold off a little bit, but I think there's more upside. Energy, just starting its run. I think that's probably the safest bet of all. Targeting the 200, long way to go. Finance started its turnaround. That's an owl entry. Didn't get a good entry, but it's going higher. Industrials, that's where the strength is. Going to 78. Beautiful. Technology, it gets above 82. Double down. I still like staples. I think you stay in this one. You use the belly of the dragon as the stop. Just starting here, healthcare. I like it. It was a PSAR flip today, so I'm buying momentum, targeting the 90, then Z3. Love this one. Consumer discretionary, just starting to rock. It gets above 123 and off it goes. PSAR's in support, just crossed into the summer. Metals and mining, plenty of room to go. Back to the 200. It's in the late spring, approaching summer. ExxonMobil, very orderly. I like that one. That and the energy sector would be the two primary focuses. Oil and gas exploration, still way early on that one. I think the production's better than the discovering new fields. And back to Alcoa. Thanks for your kind attention. 70 charts, 12 minutes.